disappointed in myself. Ugh. Okay, and the winner is... Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, KIE RASHON. Welcome back to another Beauty Monday. I'm so excited that you guys joined me today. So I know you want to know who the giveaway winner is for the $50 FashionNova giveaway. I must say I also have a little surprise for you guys, so make sure you watch the entire video. But today's Beauty Monday will feature my nails. I haven't done my nails on this channel in a while, so I wanted to come and show you guys how I do some French tips, well, some gel French tips. If you guys want to see how I do that, which I hope you do, go ahead and stick around and make sure you listen closely for the winners of the giveaway and also a special surprise. Okay, so this whole nail look is by Kiss. This video is not sponsored. I got all these items from Target. So I'm going to be using the Kiss Maximum Speed Glue, and then I also have some jewels from Kiss. They're like sticker jewels. And then I also have the brush-on gel nail kit that I'm going to be using. I have never used this before, so you guys are going to be seeing me doing this for the first time. So this shall be interesting. It says that you have enough in here for 2 full manicures, and it's easy application, dries in under 5 minutes, and is no lamp needed. So that should be fun. So let's go ahead and get into this nail review. Okay, so this is what the nail kit comes like first out of the box. So okay, so you have your nails, and then these are white tips and the clear tips. And then you have a nail file and some instructions. And then you have a cuticle pusher here. Okay, so you have the brush on gel, the cleaner, and you also have the activator. Alright, so I'm gonna get all my nails together that I need, like the correct sizes, and then I will be right back. Okay, so I already did this hand, and I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's a little sloppy because obviously it was my first time doing it, but I'm gonna try to fix it at the end. I have to put a little bit more gel on the top. You guys see it's a little lumpy on like this one here, but this one came out pretty smooth, so it's not bad. So you can use the gel applicator to actually glue the nail down. However, I'm going to use my actual glue just because I want it to last a little bit longer. Alright, so I'm going to apply all of these and then get ready for the gel application. Okay, now I'm going to take the cleaner and I'm going to brush that around the seam area. Literally like buffs the seam a little bit. Okay, now I can bend this off. So all I'm going to do is like bend this forward and backward, and it will snap off on its own. Don't pull these tabs. Alright, so now I'm just going to buff around the edges of the nail to clean it up. Okay, so now I'm going to go in and apply the gel polish with the activator. It's going to be 2 coats of this. Just remember that when I don't show you the second coat. So I'm going to go in first with the gel. This brush is really hard, like it's cakey. I don't know if that's just from the product or what. Okay, then I'm going to take the top off of the activator, use the brush from the cleaner, dip it into the activator, and then apply it to the nail. Wipe it off. And you're just going to repeat those steps. So wipe off, cleaner, activator. Now on the instructions, it doesn't say you have to wait for this one to dry before you do the second coat. So I just went on with the second coat on this hand. So I'm going to do the same thing on this hand. Okay, so it has been about 5 minutes. These are still not fully dry yet, and I think it's because I'm supposed to let the first coat dry first, and then go in with the second coat, which is probably why this little applicator in here is a little bit hard. I did go in and I filed down a little bit of the bumps in some of the nails. This is how the nails are more than likely going to look once they continue to dry down. This hand is pretty much dry. This nail right here though is still a little bit sticky, so I think it just depends on how much product you use and how obviously you follow the directions. Even though in the directions it doesn't say anything about letting the first coat dry down before you apply the second. It literally says go right in with the second coat. Not quite clear on that, but when I try this again with the white tips, I'm definitely going to let the first coat dry before I go in with the second coat. So I wanted to put the jewel stickers on there today. However, I don't think I can do it right now because, yeah, they're still just wet and they're not what I want. I more than likely will paint them, so I'm just going to let them continue to dry down and then file as necessary once that is done. And then I'll paint them and then do the jewels. So I will say these are pretty sturdy, like they're pretty thick in there with the gel on it. So that's pretty cool. I'm not mad at that at all. So congratulations to Tamara Dion. She won the FashionNova giveaway. Make sure you follow the directions down below to claim your prize. Okay, so guys, so I hope you enjoyed this mini nail tutorial. I must say, like, this is hard to do. So as you guys can see, these take a long time to dry. Way more than 5 minutes. I don't know where they got 5 minutes from. Even the ones that have already dried down, like this one, is completely dry. It still took more than 5 minutes for that to dry down. I don't have my jewels on my hands yet because they wouldn't work right. And I definitely want to polish these because they look real janky without the polish. I will say if you use the tips like I did from the pack, that you definitely should place them a little bit lower on your hand or more closer to your natural tip area, because if not, you'll have like a weird gap and then you'll have to fill that in with the gel. So I'm not going to be fake and be like, oh, they turned out amazing. No, I'm going to show you guys how they look so far. Like, this hand is still drying and it's literally collecting all the dust that I have, whether it's on my clothes or whatever. This nail is like bumpy. I haven't filed it down. This one is completely dry. You can see how that looks. It looks, you know, pretty even. So it does say on the packaging that the product levels out itself, so you don't got to worry about filing and bumps and all kind of stuff. But if you apply the product uneven, then it's going to have lumps and bumps in it. So alright guys, so you know I'm doing a huge holiday giveaway for the month of December, and I wanted to give 3 lucky subscribers a better chance of winning that giveaway, so I decided to use the same random name picker to choose those 3 lucky subscribers. So the winners of the 50 entries into the holiday giveaway for next month are Carolina Gutierrez, Ibi Wakama, and Jasmine Rosales. Congrats to everyone who won the 50 entries. Congrats to the winner of the FashionNova giveaway. Make sure you look down below for information on how to contact me to get your information and to claim your prize. If you still don't know who that is, then you have to go back and watch the video because I definitely mentioned her in the video. Congrats to the 3 lucky subscribers for the 50 entries into the holiday giveaway. To everyone else who participated in the giveaway, thank you guys so much. You guys showed so much love. Alright guys, so that has been Beauty Monday. Make sure you let me know what you think about these nails. If you tried these nails before or have done like your own gel set or whatever, let me know what you guys think. Was it easy for you? Was it hard? Did they dry down fast? Like, give me some suggestions here. But anyway, make sure you let me know what you think about this Beauty Monday, and I will see you guys very, very soon. Love ya. Bye.